back to my channel, and today we're going to be exploring one of the most exciting features on the BMW M3 Competition. The exhaust modes. The BMW comes with multiple exhaust modes. Each mode provides a unique sound and driving experience. In this video, we're going to compare each exhaust modes and show how it affects the sound. Let's just take a look inside at this interior. Alright everyone, here is the startup on the M3 Competition. Now we have the car in comfort mode. We're going to rev it up. Now that was comfort mode, and it didn't crack or burble at all, but it still made a good amount of noise. And give it a few revs with the valves open. With the exhaust open, the car sounds very aggressive and much louder compared to when the exhaust is closed. Now let's switch it into track mode. There was M1 or track mode. This car just sounds amazing. Alright everyone, this is going to conclude the exhaust notes in the different modes for the BMW M3. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.